There is a website that can pay you up to $240 every single day. Yeah, every single day. And it is available worldwide. And you don't need any special skills, investments, or fancy equipment. And in this video, I'm going to show you how it works step by step. Hi everyone, if you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome. If you are new to my channel, I am Innocent and I create videos around how to make real money online. So if that sounds like what you want to be doing, if you want to start making real cash online, hit that subscribe button, like, share, so that we can make this money together. Now, one of the best ways to spend your free time is to visit some of these passive income sites where you could make some real cash without much mental effort. It is one of such sites that we are going to talk about in this video, and it is one of the best platforms on the internet right now, and they have been around since 2007. And the beauty of it is that you can apply from anywhere around the world. If you are from a third world country and you have been hoping for a platform where you can make real money, then this opportunity is for you. This site is called User Testing. So let's head over to my screen. Now, what you basically do on this website is to share your views on apps and softwares, and that sounds to me like a very easy thing to do. Now, before we continue, let's confirm from Trustpilot if this website is good enough, if it is worth spending your time to try. Trustpilot is a wonderful website that allows us to confirm the genuineness of companies that claim to offer jobs to people through actual user review. So let's get to Trustpilot and see what we can find there. So we'll come over to our browser and type Trustpilot and click on enter. So over here on Trustpilot, we just type user testing and click on enter. So we can see the rating. It has a rating of 4.5. That sounds like a good website. So let's look at some of the reviews. We have Autumn Toro. He sent this on September 25, 2025. And it says user testing is a great company that offers little side money to anyone from any walk of life. It offers a multitude of tests per day on your mobile phone, laptop or tablet, ranging from $10 up. Wow, that sounds like a good testimony. Let's go a little further. So we have Ashley Price. She sent this on September 17, 2025. And she's okay, let's click on see more. Now we can see what she's saying. I've been using this platform for more than 9 years and I absolutely love it. I usually have at least 60 plus tests in my account each morning I log in. I also have a 5-star rating. I have maintained this rating for 9 years. I love knowing that my feedback helps to shape the future of technology and innovation. I also love making extra income each month that I'm able to use for savings and spending money. I always receive my pay on time and I've not had any issues. I have even recommended this platform during guest speaking events and conferences I've had the pleasure of presenting. Overall, 10/10 experience. Wow, this is wonderful. So how does the platform actually work? Let's go back to the website. So over here at the website, we see that the homepage is not actually for us. It is basically for people that want to give us jobs. So what we need to do is to come here at get paid to test for participants and side hustles. We click on it and then we are brought to this interface. It says boost your monthly income in your free time. Try the ultimate side hustle. They call it the ultimate side hustle. It is easy, fast and simple. Share your perspective on products and experiences and make money online from the comfort of your home. That's a good intro. So how does it really work and what actually do you do? We see that there are basically 3 things that you do. The first one is survey. Of course, I believe that you know what surveys are. You simply answer a set of questions without screen, audio or video recordings, complete on any device for a flexible way to earn. The second one is unique, is recorded tests. Complete tasks while speaking your thoughts aloud with screen, audio and sometimes video recordings. Tests are taken on mobile or desktop devices on your own time. And the last one is live conversations. Here you chat with user testing customer or customers via video calls during this designated time. Share your thoughts about products or services. Now, from my research, I discovered that this is unique for user testing. This live conversations, it is only on user testing that you can find it, and you earn much more money when you engage in live conversations. So how do you get started? You get started by entering your email here. It is very simple. When you enter your email here, you just go ahead and continue with the registration process. So basically, the first stage is to apply by entering your email. The second stage is to browse. At this stage, they are going to ask you some simple questions in order to understand you better. They will also test you to know if you can speak English well. So the tests are usually very simple. And then the next the last stage is now start making money. Normally they will show you the amount of money that you are likely to make per test. So how do you now make $240 from the website? As you can see from the review that we got from Trustpilot, we see that somebody who has been using the platform for quite some time gets up to 60 testings, 60 jobs to do on daily basis. So let's say you are consistent on the platform for quite some time. I believe that after some time, maybe within a few months, you can start getting up to 24 jobs to do per day. Now if you multiply 24 times 10, because from my research the least amount that they pay per job is about $10. So if you multiply 10 times like 24 jobs on daily basis, that will give you $240 on daily basis. So I think it's a good opportunity, it's a good website to try. So I don't want this video to be long, so this is where we draw the curtain, so we can see from feedback that people are making real money from this website. I will drop the link in the description, so go ahead and try it for yourself. Now in my next video, which I'll be dropping tomorrow, I'm going to be showing you even another website that can even pay you faster. So ensure that you subscribe, you like, share and hit the bell notification so that you will not miss out on my next clip. See you.